How to find angle between two planes? You have the same doubt, right? So you and I will find the solution together. Welcome friends, I am Samsudra. Let's start lecture number 39. Theta and geometry 0 to hero lecture series. So straight go to the blackboard. So here I have taken 5 problems. B, C, E we will solve today, and A and D will be given as home assignment. So please solve the home assignment and put your answers in the comment section below. It will motivate me a lot. So now these two planes are given. So again, my humble request to you, if you directly come to this lecture number 39, please go through my all previous lectures, especially lecture number 29. Then you can understand what I am talking about here. So please go to the channel SSD Capsules, go to the playlist section, you can find lecture number 29. So for here, we know that angle between two planes are nothing but the angle between the respective normals to the planes. So first we will apply some special conditions what we have learned. So here I will write down first here direction ratios of respective normals to the planes, say this is plane 1, this is plane 2, are A1, B1, C1, 2, 1, 3, and A2, B2, C2 equal to 1 minus 2, 0. X minus 2y, z equal component of z is 0. And from the next problem onwards, we will just directly write A1, B1, C1 equal to this, A2, B2, C equal to this. That will, otherwise it will be a kind of time waste. But in the examination hall, you should write here the direction ratio of respective normals like that. Okay. Otherwise, number will be maybe cut. Okay. So here A1 by A2 to 1. First we will examine the perpendicular points. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. So simply we can write that taking plane 1 is perpendicular to plane 2. So we have answer in our hand. Very easy. So using the particular result of lecture number 29, directly we have checked that these two planes 1 and 2 are perpendicular to each other. So move to the next problem without wasting any time. So here also two planes are given. So here, as I have promised, we will directly write down the direction ratios of the respective normals. A1, B1, C1 equal to here 2 minus 2 Z4, and A2, V2, C2, here comma will be there. Okay, X3 minus 3 Z6. So first we will check A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to what? 2 into 3, 6, minus 2 into minus 3, so plus 6 into 4, 24. So it will not equal to 0. So these planes 1 and 2 are not perpendicular to each other. Now we will check another condition. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 equal to what? 2 by 3 minus 2 by minus 3 and 4 by 6. So after simplifying, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So here simply we have seen that A1 by A2 plus B1 by B2 plus C1 by C2 equal. So the normals, the direction ratios of the respective normals to the plane are proportional to each other, and we have learned in the very first lecture, lecture number 1, that two parallel lines have same set of direction ratios or direction cosines. So also they are proportional to each other. So here plane 1 and plane 2 are parallel to each other because the respective normals are also parallel to each other. Here we have used the concept again that angle between two planes are nothing but the angle between the respective normals to the planes. Okay. So therefore, read plane 1 is parallel to plane 2. Answer. So we will move to the next problem. Here also two equations of two planes are given in Cartesian equation are given. So first we will write down directly A1 B1 C1 equal to, that is direction ratio of the normal to the plane 1 is 4, 8, 1, and A2 B2 C2 equal to what? Component of x is 0, y1, z1. So first we will check the condition of perpendicularity. A2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 4 into 0 0, 8 into 1 8 plus 1, so 9, not equal to 0. So therefore we can say that this plane 1 is not perpendicular to plane 2. Now we will check another condition, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 plus c equal to c1 by c2. Then we have in our hand 4 by 0, 8 by 1, 1 by 1. So they are not proportional to each other. We can easily see from the acceleration because they are not equal. Okay, they are not equal. So therefore plane 1 is not perpendicular to plane 2, and plane 1 is not parallel to plane 2. So we have to find the angle between them. Let theta be the angle between them. Then cos theta equal to what? We have the formula in our hand. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Go through lecture 29, then you can understand it very easily. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 already we have derived. So here 4 into 0, so 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 9 by root A1 square means 16, take the magnitude, plus 64 plus 1 by root, here 0 plus 1 plus 1. So close the magnitude. So here 64 plus 16 plus 1 means 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 1, 7, 8, 81. So root over 81 means 9. So next page, cos theta 9 by root over 81 and root over 2, I think. See previous page? Yes. So cos theta equal to 9 by 9 root 2 equal to 1 by root 2. So therefore we know that 1 by root 2 is equal to cos 45 degree. Therefore theta equal to 45 degree. So we have the angle, required angle between the two planes. So therefore angle, take angle between the two planes is 45 degree. So answer. So we have reached to the end of today's video. So do you want to learn geometry without pen and paper? Then check out this playlist. And if you want to learn SKEW lines, then check out this playlist. And if you want to enjoy the melodious songs, then click below this playlist. Thank you for watching.